Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to take a couple of trades. Okay, you see this running candle? I go with the sellers exactly right here because if you look at here, you can see double candlesticks as a green one, and after that we have sellers entry. Okay, let me just see if we have any gap. No, we don't have any gap, so that's fine. And let me just see. This is a supply area. It's breaking a supply area. And this is also a supply area, but this one has been mitigated or has been used. Okay, you see one touch, so it basically used, but this one is fresh. You can see there's no any touch, so the sellers are here. Okay, so when we're breaking this one and we also have the market sequence here, we can trust to take this. Okay, this also looks like exhaustion candle. Let me see. After this candle, I will take a higher risk trade with the buyers. Okay, let me go with $50. Okay, let's go. Oh my god, we have gap up here. It's against the buyers. Okay, but I just go with the buyers here because we broke this range. You see, usually after breakout the range we start a trend. So if the supply area is not strong enough, we have to keep going up, right? So that's why I go with 50. It's called dynamic money management. Based on the risk we're taking, we change the trade amount. Okay, for example, if I lose this trade, I'm losing 50. I'm not losing 200. Okay, but I'm taking a good trade with 200, which is not gonna this loss is not gonna hurt me. Okay, but I'm pretty sure if we had the gap down, it would go up 100%. Okay, all right, I will look for the opportunities. Also, I want to answer one of your questions. Somebody asked about having an edge in trading, and okay, it was a winning trade. Yeah, that's super important to have an edge. It doesn't matter if that's forex or binary, and it means that you know what you are looking for. Okay, for example, if you want to take this trade here, okay, and you only look for doji trades and take the best possible doji trades, you're gonna master doji trade, right? So the doji trade is become your edge. That's what that having an edge means. For example, you can see this is a QM, right? And you know what QM is. So when the price comes here, you see, oh, we're also breaking a doji. You see here, we're also breaking a doji. So this is a good trade to take. Okay, let me just see. This is a good trade to take because we already have a QM, sell QM, and we combine this with the doji. Okay, and basically if we look around and find some doji trades, it means that our edge is trading dojis. All right, that's what we mean by having an edge. And having an edge give you the opportunity of knowing what you're looking for. Okay, it's gonna be more discipline in your trading. So that's what we mean by having an edge, and it only comes with the experience and knowing. You have to have the knowledge and then cherry pick what you want and only look for them. Okay, all right, let's see if I can find an opportunity. By the way, you can ask your question in the comments. All right, finally. Okay, so you can see that market has been coming down, right? So now it's starting an uptrend. But we have a doji here. Should we take this doji break? It really depends because this looks so bullish to me. It's a breakout of this range and now it's trying to go up. So I am gonna go with the buyers here. Okay, we have gap up, so I go with the sellers. Oh, 200, let's go. I go with the sellers here. But this is in general, it's a bullish market structure. But this is a doji break. And also red green pattern. So I go with the sellers because we have a huge gap up, right? If we didn't have any gap up or we were starting with gap down, I wouldn't go with the sellers because this is so risky. I know this is a doji break, but that's risky. And we're probably going to have something inside of that engulfing candle. No, we don't. Okay. Yeah, so this gap right here, it has a major effect on this trade, okay? Just like the previous time, you see this gap up in the is the friend of sellers, and gap down, just like this one, is a friend of buyers. Yeah. By the way, about my mentorship, unfortunately, I have to stop after 15 February because it's just getting, I need to spend some time for me and my family, you know. So I have to stop at 15 this month. So if you're really planning, if you really want to join, okay, if you really want to learn, I don't do signals, I don't sell some magic pills, you know. I only teach people what they need to know for being a successful trader, because I already have done that, okay? If you're really planning to join, contact me with the ID in the description before 15th February, okay? Okay, let me see. All right, I found an opportunity here. Finally, you can see this doji, right? And after this doji, we have a overlapping level. So that's a very, I mean, breaking these overlapping levels is just like breaking a doji, okay? It's just like breaking a doji. So we have this common point of rejection, we have overlap, and also we have a doji. So if we break this candle to the upside, we have a solid, you know, green candle. I will take a sell. I hope it's not a red one. Please go up. That would be a crazy setup for me. Let's go. Okay, not now. This is not a proper breakout. I want this overlap to be broken. So now this candle is, you know, breaking this overlap. So inside of that engulf also, we have to have some, you know, setup. Okay, this is you can see this is a QM. This is a QM, right? Okay, the entry is up here. The entry is exactly this one. See? Okay, I entered right here. This is a QM trade, right? See how it rejected? Now I go to the 1 minute. You can see that I am entering this trade at this common point of rejection. And also this is an engulf. Okay, and the QM is inside of this engulf. All right, see how it's rejected? It's crazy. This is basically the best possible trade you can take in the market. And if you observe the charts, like for 1 hour, you will find 5 or maybe 4 or 5 this type of trades, okay? It has tons of confluences, okay? Let me just mark this one more time for you guys. So the first thing, we can see that this is a common point of rejection, right? Common point of rejection. This is the 1, 2, 3, fourth time, all right? The next one, this is an engulf, okay? You know that for QM trades, we use engulf, okay? So now, we go to the lower time frame. We can already see the QM at 15 seconds. Low, high, low, high, high, and then lower, low. This is the QM area, okay? So now, we want the entry at the lower time frame. Go to the lower time frame and 10 seconds. You can see the entry, which is a fresh supply area. I will go with red one. Here, right? So we go to the 1 minute and we entered exactly here. And if this candle was closing a bit higher, it would be even better because we would have this overlap breaking, okay? And then it would be another reason. But for this one, we also can have this, again, rejection, common point of rejection, okay? So this is my last trade. I hope you enjoyed. And yeah, like I said, for the mentorship, I will close the mentorship at 15th Feb. So I hope if you're really planning to join, let me know before that using the ID in the description, okay? You can also read the details about the mentorship in the pinned message on the Telegram channel, okay? Thank you for watching, everybody, and peace out.